started with actually my bachelor degree is industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is mostly like operations research and working in manufacturing sites. So after my bachelor degree, I went to work. I kind of thought that, okay, I'm really interested in this, but mostly in system analysis part of it. And I want to do more research. Let's go to grad school. So I went to grad school, and this time in systems engineering. So in systems engineering, it has all the aspects of what my background is in industrial engineering, but also has the elements of more of computer science, statistical analysis to it. So I got really interested in that. Again, after my master's degree, I went to work for a big company, but this time in IT department. When I was doing my PhD, I tried to focus on human agent teaming, how they can collaborate, and the overarching goal for this collaboration or teaming would be how AI and ML can augment human decision making, basically, and can help us with a different type of tasks while considering all the values and ethical aspects of society.